Back to Savvy Serena. Today I'm going to go through these 3 baskets of bandages, medicine, cough medicine. It's all kinds of things in here. I need to go through them because some of it is probably expired, but these 3 baskets are not working. My family is not putting them back in the designated basket that they need to be in, so I'm going to hopefully get these better organized, and I'm going to use this rather large container I have here and maybe that smaller one right there. I don't know yet. We're going to have to wait and see if I can't get it maybe all in here, maybe just in one spot, maybe, because these 3 baskets are just not working. So we're going to revamp, and I'm going to go through and find out what's expired and what's not. So let's get this under some kind of control. Another thing, I've got a bag here for the expired medicine. I have a container here. I got these at Goodwill, or this one I did, and didn't realize, and on the lid it says container store. So I found it at Goodwill. I don't pay much for the stuff when I get it at Goodwill. I also have this little container that I'm thinking about putting inside of this one. I'm thinking about putting bandages and stuff in here. I don't know yet. This was brand new. I bought on a clearance at Dollar General. They had a real big clearance on their red dot. So it was like originally $3 and they had like 70% off. So I got this really, really cheap. And so I got a couple of them, but I'm using one for something else, and I thought, I might be able to use this in here. And so I want to explain that before I got started. So what I'll be doing is either throwing away or organizing it in here in some way or another. What I said about writing on plastic, if you take alcohol that's a really high percentage, it will wipe right off of your plastic containers. And I've done it on several things so far, and it comes right off. But that way everybody knows, most of the time people are coming in here for Band-Aids. And so if they keep pulling them out, I may end up sticking them up on the back of the bathroom and then just use this for everything else like cough medicine or whatever. We've done the Medicine Purge. That's where my little medicine container is going to live. Now, I need to work on the rest of the stuff that is in this container, all and everything else that's up there. I just wanted to see how that was going to look with that on there. Those are messed up. I'm not concerned about my towel. My towels are going to stay here. And this is my washcloths, hand towels, dish towels, cleaning rags, dish rags, all that goes there. And then we have this chaotic mess. This is my chaotic mess. I've got toilet paper, some soap or whatever. That I'm not too worried about. This is a new comforter set that I got during Black Friday. And I've got a pillow in there I don't even have on my bed yet. But I've got shams in there that I've got to buy pillows for. That's why. And then I've got a comforter. You get a quilt for the winter and then a comforter for like, for like spring or whatever and summer. And then I have another comforter here that I use on the air mattress when people are coming over, so they have something to cover up with. That needs to go with the air mattress stuff. These are flat sheets, I think. We don't even have fitted sheets to go with that. Then these blue ones, that right there, and all that blue are curtains that I could possibly hang up. Now, the green lace ones are supposed to go in our bedroom. I don't have curtain rods, I don't think. Not here. Or I would hang those up today, but I don't think I have any curtain rods to hang them up. I've got products here that I don't even know what it is. I got to go through, see if they're any good. Then there's stuff in this box and stuff in this box I need to go through, see if it's anything I can get rid of. So, this is what I'm left with. And again, you got that stupid green flooring, you know, that they had back in the 70s. I hate that green. I have more flooring like I did in my gadget drawer. I could definitely vacuum and mop this out. And I could definitely put some down. I don't know. But I definitely have enough to put some in this closet if I wanted to. And then I would be done. No. I don't know if I have any more closets to do or not. But I really never could see the bottom of this one because this closet is extremely dark. I went and bought one of these little light switches that I could tack up on the wall if I wanted to. But when we come in and it's dark at night and we need a washcloth, I just cut it on. And it puts out a pretty bright light, but as you can see, you can hang it on with screws, or it's like this Velcro stuff that you can put it on, but it makes it pretty bright in here. And it just takes batteries. When the battery goes out, you replace it. So I put this in here, but when the closet's darker, I can't figure out exactly where I need it. Because it's either you're getting a towel or trying to figure out what washcloth, because you can tell it's pretty dark back there. You know, it's pretty dark back there, but this is nice. Let's see, we got this at Harbor Freight. But I want to say I've seen these also at Walmart. Good little thing if you have a closet like mine and it's dark. But, do I want to do the flooring? I can see that some water damage was done at this in one time. Do I want to paint it? I probably do want to paint it white eventually, but I'm not going to do that today. Let's get through this stuff and see what we're dealing with. Before I start, I've got a little bag. I don't know if y'all can see that. This bag right here that I'm going to be putting stuff in, and I got a trash bag. Some of the extra pillowcases that I had, I stuck in one of these bags that I bought at Dollar Tree. It was one of the extra large bags, and you only receive one in the box. So I stuck them in there. What's underneath this are curtains. This is enough to do probably our kitchen and our living room, and that'll work great. These are for our bedroom. They're going to live in this box for right now, since I know that's all curtain material. In here, I just threw some stuff in here to figure out another place to put it. This box is those containers. If you looked at under my bathroom sink, this was way back when. I did a whole organization with that, but these will not fit under any of my sinks. they're too tall. I may be able to get one in there, but I can't stack them. So now I don't know what to do with them. I might end up getting rid of them possibly. This is my trash. This is everything I'm getting rid of. I've still got the blanket. I need to fold this up. I don't think this will fit in one of those bags right there. I have this sheet here. I've lessened my sheet count because my mom had like, I don't know, 30 sets of sheets. I have this set right here. I have the set that's currently on our bed. So that way, if we got sick in the middle of the night, I have one extra set of sheets for our bed that we could change them in the middle of the night if one of us got sick. Other than that, I don't see a sense in carrying a bunch of sheets for beds. The guest room bed has one sheet on it, and that's it. And then I've got another sheet set for the air mattress. This would all go on the queen size bed. I would like to get that up here. But I got stuff I got to pull down. I just realized that. And I'm not finished. Hold on. Let me get this stuff out first. Pull that stuff down that was up in the top of the closet. This is what I use. Well, not that. That's bandages. That needs to go on the other thing. The rest of the stuff in here is, it looks like some kind of cat toys or dog items. So this must be like an animal theme. So this goes somewhere else. Because I see catnip, I see pouch treats, I see, that's Muska's old cable tie. In case she gets loose, I just have another one. I need to put this in another spot because this is for socks and Muska. So this is like their little animal thing. So I'm going to put this somewhere else. And I have a place where I do keep the rest of her stuff. So that's going to go there. Carpet shampoo that came with our carpet cleaner that I don't even know if I've used any of it. Yeah, I've used a little bit of that. That's new. That's new. So I've got to clean my carpet here soon. So I'll be using that. But that can go somewhere else. I also have when I used to clean houses, I used to keep these other tools around. This one is to clean your tile with, to get the grout in your tile clean. And then I always liked having a little brush to be able to sweep underneath like a like under bathroom sinks and stuff. Q-tips will drop or whatever. This is great to sweep that stuff up with. But I'm going to hold on to them because I could get back into cleaning houses again possibly. I don't see that in my near future, but I like to hold on to stuff like that just for that. These are brand new cleaning rags that I've never used. I've got a gut load already. That's why I'm not using specifically these. But I do see something I can get rid of. I used to have this flat mop. I used to use this like crazy. And you can mop your floors with it, but I don't have this mop anymore. So that I can get rid of that. So now all I've got is brand new cleaning rags in that bag right there. That's just, I have old ones and I have clean ones, and I like to keep new ones around. So that's there, because when I'm cleaning houses, I've got to at least have 8 washcloths per house. That's why I have so many cleaning rags. The normal person doesn't need that many, but I like to keep them because if I do get back into it, you know, I've already got the supplies. When I figure out that, hey, this is not something I'm going to do anymore, then maybe I'll purge some of the stuff, but I don't want to have to rebuy, because those are really good, and I don't want to have to rebuy them. So, now that I got that cleared, and I know where that's going, all this is getting moved. Now, those cleaning rags I may be able to put up behind this container right here, is what I'm kind of thinking. There's a little bit of room back there. I may be able to stick them back there, because I don't want them to be used. So, what I want to do is maybe put my comforter bag on one side and my sheet bag, or my sheet over here on the other side. this closet's in the closet now. So what I did up here is I put my sheets. Like I said, I tried to put the comforter up there, but you could see it didn't give me room for anything else. So I put the extra sheets up in the back, and then the sheets are extra set to the queen size bed is there with the medicine thing on top. And then this is all I need on the bottom. I've got my curtains up underneath this bag here, because I'm not going to pull those out till I have curtain rods, so that's going to be a little bit. And in this box is extra shampoo, soap, things like that. My husband's toiletry bag, things like that. Easy to access if we need to. I can put the toilet paper right there on top. Good to go. And then I have space, which I'm fine with. I took the comforter. This is the sheets that fit the air mattress, and that's the comforter we normally use with it. I could stick that bag right there. So normally I leave it with the air mattress, so when my stepdaughter and her husband come to visit, they just pull everything's right there together, ready to go, to make it easier for them. I'm going to continue to do that. We just leave the sheets in this to make it easier to carry, and it keeps them clean. That looks a heck of a lot better than it did. I do need to straighten my towels and stuff up, but I need to, you can see I need to wash clothes. I just haven't done it yet. But that will work. And I got rid of a lot of stuff too, which gave us even more room. That looks a whole lot better. If you like today's video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And y'all come back now. You hear?